Hello guys, this is Deepak. Welcome on my channel Everything Technical. Please like and subscribe my channel. This is my channel Everything Technical. Please subscribe us. And now in this video today I'm going to show you how we can set a permission for file permission. We want to set the permission for the any particular file. So how we can do this? So we will see in this video how we can set it. So first of all we have to know what is permission and how we can set it. So simply in my way I can say the permission, it's like giving the access, like what type of access we are providing to the particular user or particular any file, what access we are setting for the using of that. So simply there is a three fields in that. First of all we have to know what that three fields. First always comes, that is a user, we can call also owner of the file. And second field comes it it is a group file. And third will be a other. So like I can show you in this video, like you have to check it. Like here I have just created, I'm going to create one file. I have created one file touch yy. I have created this file touch yy. So I want to check the yy. So here you can see this is the name of my file. When I have created, these are the fields you have to aware about this. And who is the primary, like who is the primary group of this file group. So also here this is a first field, like it is a permission. So what type of permission it is? So in Ubuntu you are getting a 664. This is a permission for the file. So now we have to, how we can define it. This is a 664. So 4 denotes read, 2 denotes w, like write. And here also you can see r is a 4. So we have to 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 2 6 and 4. So it is a 664 and is a first, like it's a user owner of the file. Like owner have to access for read and write the file. Group also have access for read and write the file, and other have only access for read this file. So we have to change this permission. We have to set another permission, like if we want to give the another access to the group or user or for other. So we can change it. So how we can change it? So first of all we have to know how much type of the permission here, how we can set by the numeric method or as well as by symbolic method. So there is a you can see in this, there is a type of the permission here. One is a numeric and second will be a symbolic. How we can symbolic, like a wrx, read write, and it's a read write and execute, rwx. So if it is a full permission, so you will get as a rwx. That means it's a full permission of the particular any user. So in a, if you are going in a numeric method, so in a numeric method you can see one is a, sorry, first will be a 0. If you are setting the permission 0, so that means there is no permission. And if you are setting 1, so it will be a executable only. If you are setting 2, so it will be a write only. And if you are setting 4, so it is a read only permission. Now here you can see we can also set as a 3 permission, like 2 and 1, it's a mean 3. So we have get the permission like write and execute. In this, if you write the 3, so you will get is a write and execute permission. If you write a 5, so read and execute permission. And if you are setting read, so here you can see read and write. So it's a mean of the 6, read and write permission. If you are giving a 7, so it will be read write execute permission. It's called a full permission. And now in practical way I'll show you how we can set this permission, and how it is work, like how we can set the permission in numeric way and as well as in a symbolic way. So let's see the video how we can see how we can do into the practical. So here, so let's see the video here. Just you have seen I have created yy, name of the file yy, and it's a default of the it's a permission. It's a read write and write. read, sorry, it means 664 we have permission of this file. So I'm just going to remove all the permissions. So how we can remove the permission? Just setting the ch using the chmod 0, it's a user on a 0, it's for group, 0, it's for other. So we have to put the three values. So I have put the three values like three zeros for all threes, user, group and other. So, and the name of the file. So now you can see there is no permission. Now I want to set the permission for user. As you can see, I can set the permission one for the other, one for group, one for user or owner. So you can see all have a execute permission in this file. So I want to change this. Now this was a 111, now 222. So it will be a all the user group and other have a write permission in this file. And if you can change, if you are changing this to 333, so you can see the permission like this. They have a write and execute the file. They have the permission for write and execute. And if you want to set the like value 444, 444, so this is the values how we can set it. So is the permission read for all these. And if you want to specify like what they can use, if you want to set the permission for user, have to read, write, execute all the permissions. User who is the owner, and group can read and write only. So we can see read, write, user can group can do, and other have only read permission. So I can do this 764. Now you can check the value. Now it's a read, write, execute. It is a permission for user who is the owner. And now it's a group. Second field is a read, write. This is for a group, and last one is a other for other. It's a write, sorry, read, for the read permission only. So how we are setting this, you have seen this in the by symbolic method. You can use also to specify of the particular user how they can use. So they can use like using this, you have to follow this step. So you will do this the file permission. And if you want to set the file, if you want to set the permission by symbolic way, so how you can do, just do this only. I'll just use this command chmod, and the user have you can use this command as well as you can use also. So I don't want read, write, execute. I'm just removing all the. So for removing purpose, you can use the particular username, you as a user. And if you are giving minus, so read rwx minus rwx, like I'm removing the permission, like what the access we have given to user, like read, write, execute, the permission for the user. So I'm removing now by the using minus. And group have the permission, its permission was like read, write. So I'm just going to reduce the permission. So using this, I'm just reducing it, read and write. This is the permission for the group, and other have only permission for the read. So other minus read. So you have to in an end you can set this. So by this you can also reduce the permission. Now you can see there is no permission for any of the user or group and other also. So in this file there is no permission. Now I want to set the permission by symbolic. So how you can set? So first we have to do this. Now this is the easy way, like in a one time you can set the all permission. If you want to set all the permission for all user and group, so you can use the ugo plus all, sorry, read, write, execute, rwx. Now you can see all permission have already set it in this, just because I have used this, so it is giving this all the permission to this. Just I'm removing this, and now I'm going to set by the individually. So I want to give the access to the user owner, like they can read and write, they have to read and write. And other I want to remain like group, I want to give the access for the group, like they can read only. So g plus r. And if you want to use for the other, you want to use for read, so you can use this. By this way now you can check the permission. This is the permission, read, write. User can read, write group can read only and other can read. This is the way like how you can set the permission. This is the permission how we are setting this permission in this any particular users. So this is the permission. If you like this video, please comment below the video and like the videos. Please subscribe my channel. This is my channel, Everything Technical. Please subscribe my channel. Share to your friends who want the help and it is a helpful for you. So please like this video and comment also. So thank you very much for the watching my videos. Thank you.